Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to hide, move, or lock the taskbar inside of Windows 10. To do this, just right-click anywhere in the empty space on the taskbar at the bottom. Here at the bottom of the menu, you have Lock and Taskbar Settings. If you check next to the Lock the Taskbar, you'll be unable to move the taskbar around or resize it. But if I uncheck the lock, you can see I can either click and drag it up to make it larger or drag it onto another screen edge to move it. Right-clicking back on the taskbar, go ahead and select Taskbar Settings. At the top, you'll again see the lock option, but underneath of that, you'll have the options to automatically hide. I usually enable both hiding for desktop as well as in tablet mode, just in case if I switch to that feature. You will then see that the taskbar will automatically hide and you'll go into full screen, and to see it again you just have to hover over the bottom of the screen. Finally, if you look down a little bit more, you'll see a drop down menu for the taskbar locations. This works the same as when we clicked and dragged on an unlocked taskbar, but it's just another way to do it inside of the taskbar settings menu. And that's how you hide, lock, or move the taskbar inside of Windows 10. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.